All right, we're going to talk about sketching out your idea. Remember that your overall idea needs to be wide and not tall. So we're looking at a horizontal rectangle for our banner idea. It needs to say MYP design. So think about how you want to do that, what kind of text you want to try to find when you're animating. And go ahead and get it to say MYP design. And then think about what you want your criteria A to look like. And then, again, if you're not a good drawer, it's okay to annotate, right? In fact, I encourage it. So annotate what it is, but also annotate what it's going to do. So like maybe I want this stack of papers to fall down, and this will say right here, criteria A, research. And it's okay to use language that is not, that's not a specific language. Like if you want to say research instead of inquiring and analyzing, that's probably easier to understand, and that's okay. But we want the meaning of what it is to be what's communicated, right? So do that, and then you should have something on here for the other ones also, something graphical as well, as well as maybe like 5 words or less that say what the different parts are. So I think like for mine, I would do that, and then I would say it goes to criteria B, brainstorm, and I'd have like floating thought bubbles, and then I'd label those. And then I would say circling. Right? So I'm talking about what animation I want to also be happening in my thing. Remember, Adobe Spark doesn't have that complicated of animations. So if you're wanting these more complicated animations, you will need to investigate different animation options. But the Adobe Spark animations that you could have are things like what the text is doing to be animated. So if you wanted to just animate your text to do something and you've just got static images, that's fine too. But then you should label, what animation do you want your text to do? If you're thinking Adobe Spark is the simplest option because you don't have those other options. And that's totally fine. That meets the criterion. Just make sure you're considering that as you go through. And again, you should be spending at least 10 minutes per idea, right? So this video should get you through slides 15, 16, and 17.